Introducing the KITCHOP Overnight Oats Containers with lids and spoon, mason jars. These 16 ounces glass oatmeal containers are perfect for anyone looking to customize their breakfast and stay healthy. With these overnight oats containers, you can create your own unique oats jar by adding your favorite toppings. Whether it's fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, or even vegetables, you have the freedom to make your breakfast exactly the way you like it. And with 4 color options available, you can choose the jars that match your style. One of the key features of these containers is their airtight and leak-proof design. The lids are lined with plastisol, ensuring that your food stays fresh and doesn't smell or rot. In addition to making overnight oats, you can also use these jars to store beverages like milk or juice. Forget the mess and hassle of cooking oats on the stove. These oats jars make breakfast preparation quick and easy. Simply add milk or water, and you're good to go. Their compact size makes them ideal for people on the go. Just pack them into your backpack or meal bag, and you'll have a convenient and delicious breakfast wherever you are. The included lid and spoon allow for easy transportation, so you can take your oats jar with you to work or on your travels. Safety is a priority with these oatmeal jars. They are made of food-safe glass that is 100% BPA and chemical-free. You can be confident that your food is stored in a contamination-free environment. What's more, these jars are sustainable and eco-friendly. Instead of using single-use containers that end up in the trash, you can wash and reuse these jars multiple times. We even use reusable packaging to minimize our environmental impact. Cleanup is a breeze with the KITCHOP Overnight Oats Containers. The lids and spoons are removable, making them easy to wash. And if you prefer, you can simply toss them in the dishwasher for a hassle-free clean. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before purchasing. In summary, the KITCHOP Overnight Oats Containers with lids and spoon, mason jars, are the perfect solution for a customized, healthy, and convenient breakfast. With their airtight and leak-proof design, safe materials, and easy cleaning, these containers are a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their morning routine. Check out the link in the description to get yours today.